Hey, it's a pretty exciting day today in the factory, SpectraGrow. We've got our normal production line going on the SG4, but what's really cool today is we've also got some early prototypes of a product we're going to call Harvest Plus. We haven't released this product yet, but we're getting some prototypes built and shipped out to some trial customers. What's unique about this product is not only does it have one of our horticultural spectrums, but it also adds in the ability to add in or take out far red and or UVA. So what that does is that really increases the flexibility of this product, not only for the different types of plants and plant applications, but also it makes it possible to use one product, one light fixture, and change the spectrum recipe at different stages of growth as well.